What's up, pranksters, and welcome to my bathroom. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're in the bathroom because we're gonna set up a booby trap in here, and I'm just putting on my gloves for this following prank. Now this one you can set up on pretty much anybody because everybody uses the restroom at one point or another throughout the day. So for this prank, you're definitely gonna get somebody, and you're gonna have to set it up in a way so that that person that falls for this prank gets wet. That's right, somebody's getting wet. So let's get started. Check it out. Alright, we're at a bird's eye view right here because we're gonna be tampering with this toilet. And here's the thing, guys, and I apologize for this because I was supposed to go to the store and get some chocolate cake mix or some kind of chocolatey powder so that we can add inside the toilet for this prank to look better, but sadly I couldn't get to it, so you guys are gonna have to just imagine this toilet looking all nasty and stuff. Because basically what the chocolate mix was gonna do is we're gonna open up the toilet and we were gonna dump the chocolate mix in here inside, and it was gonna look like somebody had the runs and you know they just didn't flush. So when the next person comes in, obviously they would want to flush it before they use it, right? That's how I was gonna set up this prank. But sadly, I'm not gonna get to that. So if you want to really pull it off, you're gonna have to take a dump or something in here and leave it there. and for the next person that comes in, they're gonna have to flush it. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna tamper with the toilet tank. So here's what you're gonna do first. Let's start off by removing the cover like this. And now a lot of toilets are different nowadays. It used to be that the flusher was attached to a chain, and that chain you can unhook. And when you did that, the toilet would not flush anymore. So if your toilet works like that, you might want to do that or find a different way so that the toilet stops flushing. So just tamper with it, but make sure that whatever you do, you can undo. That way you don't damage the toilet. But at this point, you have disabled the toilet, so the toilet is not flushing anymore. And that's a good thing. And now that the toilet isn't flushing, you're gonna need some tape. I'm using duct tape again. This and my gloves don't get along, so most likely they're gonna rip right now. Hopefully not, but I mean, it happens all the time. So you're gonna need about 3 strips of tape. About this length. And you're gonna tape it across the tank like this, but make sure it's hanging like a little hammock because that's where we're gonna nest the balloon. If I haven't mentioned, we're gonna be using balloons also. So you're gonna kind of leave it hanging like this. And you're gonna need about 3. See, this is what I'm talking about. Damn you. So do your best at putting the tape on there. Just like that. So now you have the strip of tape hanging over the toilet tank. You're gonna need about 2 more. So I'm gonna skip through this and show you the result. There you have it, pranksters. 3 strips of duct tape hanging across the tank like this. Now what you're gonna put on top of here is a balloon. You guys have seen these before. I've used them before. I've used it in my last refrigerator prank video. And we're just gonna grab a balloon, a long one, and we're gonna fill it up with some water. Make sure it's not too big, too long. It doesn't need to be huge. It should be able to fit on top, and you should be able to put on the cover as well without any complications. So get yourself one of these and fill it up with water. And again, you can also add Kool-Aid. Unfortunately, I left the Kool-Aid downstairs and I'm kind of lazy to go get it right now, so I'm gonna have to do the demo without Kool-Aid. But you guys get the idea. Oh man, this faucet is dirty. Well, I pranked too much, that's why. Alright guys, so you guys are gonna have to fill it up with some water. This is too big, but I'm gonna make it smaller. About this length works. And then now with these balloons, you're gonna have to push the water forward just because you wanna leave this space empty. So now you have a little tail and like a little trunk, and make sure to hang on to the tip because you don't want the water to come out just yet. Now that your balloon looks like this, like I mentioned, you're gonna nest it on top of the tape like so, with of course the tip sticking out. Now you might need an accomplice for this because this toilet cover is kind of heavy, and for some of you, I mean that's too much. So if you can have somebody help you, that'd be nice. But since I don't have anybody, I'm just gonna have to pick it up with one hand like this. And it's not a bad thing that this is heavy because it adds pressure to the tip, and that way it won't leak out. You just let it go, and if it sticks out too much, you might have to cut it with some scissors. And also, if you might be able to see the tape right there. Make sure it doesn't stick out that much, but then again, that does not look suspicious. And there you go, the prank is set. So to recap, you took a dump, right? You took a dump and you left it there. You did not flush it, but before you left the bathroom, you disabled the flusher. That way nobody could flush it. Now, in order for somebody to flush it, they're gonna have to open the tank by removing that cover. And when they lift it up, that balloon is gonna shoot the water right at them. And yeah, it's gonna get them wet. So the bigger the balloon is, the more water it will have and obviously more pressure. So it'll squirt them good. Let's give you guys a little demonstration now. Oh, yuck. Yes, I'm pretending like the toilet is dirty and I'm disgusted by it, so yuck. So my instinct would be to flush it, but it's not flushing because it's disabled, so what I'm gonna do is just remove the cover. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, you had to get that last squirt, huh? Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Looks like I pissed on myself. Oh, it got me good. And yeah, and that was a little balloon right there. If it was larger, then more water and more pressure and better prank. But yeah, guys, that's the prank. You can easily do it in the bathroom. And I feel like the bathroom is the one place that you shouldn't be pranked because that's your own personal time right there. But I don't really care. I'll set up pranks wherever I get a chance to, and the bathroom is no exception. So if you guys enjoyed this prank, please give it a thumbs up. Please. I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers and we're not that far off anymore, guys. We might get there really soon, and once we do that, who knows what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, please keep following me everywhere. Keep watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Later, pranksters. Alright, so let's begin with our first prank, and here we're gonna get rid of the toilet paper. Just grab a couple pieces of tape and cover most of the shower head. All you're gonna need for this next prank is some chocolate fudge. So just smear some on there. Take the fart bag and put it underneath the toilet seat like this. What I have here is a Ziploc bag. So lay it down on the toilet lid like this. Begin to fill it up with any liquid of your choice. Okay, that prank was so good that I'm gonna give you guys another demo. Check it out. Oh, not that big of a squirt, huh? Let's try another one. Now this one's gonna be a good one.